Technical Touching 24 blogspot.com.
Hey guys, and OnePlus is back with another exclusive interview about the OnePlus 60 with CNET, which is one of the most reliable source. And there OnePlus talked about the pricing, removal of headphone jack, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP certification, that is water protection. So basically most of your questions about the OnePlus 60 were answered. We are going to talk about all of them one by one. Alright, so starting things with the headphone jack, it's now gone with the OnePlus 60, and OnePlus says that it was one of the most difficult decision for us to make, cause whenever they are the in-display fingerprint sensor, but that is another thing. Also OnePlus already know that this move is going to be controversial, cause according to a report almost 73% of Android users said they won't switch to an iPhone just because of its lack of headphone port, and that is a large number of audience. That applies to OnePlus also. However, things have changed. We now have wireless earphones, and OnePlus is also going to announce their own version of wireless bullet earphones. So I don't think the removal of headphone jack means too much, but definitely it is going to be a strong point for one of us not to purchase the OnePlus 60. Alright, so time to talk about the in-display fingerprint sensor. This thing was originally meant for the OnePlus 5T. I'm talking about the OnePlus 5T, launched back in 2017, but it was not as fast as OnePlus wanted. So basically they skipped it, and with the 60 they think now is the right time to push the on-screen fingerprint sensor. I don't know if it is going to be faster than the actual rear fingerprint sensor, but definitely OnePlus know what they are doing. I think it's going to be faster than any other fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor out there right now. Okay, so it's time for IP certification and wireless charging. Why OnePlus 60 won't feature these features? Lots of features. So basically OnePlus won't include wireless charging unless the speed is almost on par with its dash charging without heating their phones. There's a second condition too. On that day, you're going to see wireless charging support on the OnePlus smartphones. About the IP certification, OnePlus 60 is going to be secretly more water resistant than any OnePlus smartphone out there, even the OnePlus 6. It is going to survive accidental drops in the sink and also a splash during a rainstorm. However, it won't feature IP certification cause OnePlus thinks asking $30 more just for IP rating and just for a person who want to swim with his phone or her phone is unreasonable. Even if your OnePlus phone gets water damage, OnePlus won't cover it under warranty. I mean, seriously? That is an excuse. Most of the flagships right now are going IP certified. Apple iPhone, Samsung Galaxy Note or S series, and even the A series comes with IP6 certification. And OnePlus, you should do it. I mean, I'm not saying with the OnePlus 60, but at least in future with the 7 or 70 we need IP certification. So the pricing is going to be higher thanks to the in-display fingerprint sensor and new near bezel-less water drop notch, and by higher they mean almost $550 US. But that is still less than any Samsung or Apple smartphone out there, so you guys are the one to decide which one to choose, Apple, Samsung or OnePlus, headphone jack or in-display fingerprint sensor, IP certification or not. This is it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and peace out.